Oh, got one way out there. Oh, what did I get?
In this video, I caught a fish and I have no idea what it was. If you know, please drop a comment down below and tell me what the heck this thing was. You'll have to watch to the end to find out, but I caught a ton of fish in this video and I think you're gonna like it. So without further ado, here is the video.
Look, there's one. Got him. Nice, dude. Yes.
I'm gonna pack light right now. So I was filming for quite a while there, and throwing on the Senko, I have a little more confidence. Oh, I just had a fish. Something hammered it. Anyway, I said last cast, and man, I should have let him take it. Might have been something small. I was about to leave this spot. I want to say it's like 9:30 right now. Well, I've been beaten down this morning. I've been here for about 4 hours and I have 0 fish. The weather changing seems to have just pushed them all out of here, so they might be deep, they might be schooling up. I'm gonna start at that dam and then work my way around. All right, so this is kind of sweet. Here's where the dam pours in, and all I've got is this jig. Pretty finessey. You can see how clear the water looks. Oh, this looks great. Throw it into this tide pool here. Just got bit. That was sick, I just got bit. There's definitely fish here. Something hammered it. Felt good, like a smallmouth. There's one. There's a fish. Oh, it came off. Well, I just had a fish. It came off. Just gonna let my jig float down this current. There's a fish. Not very big. Oh, man. Okay, things are heating up here. I'm starting to see like little microfish and stuff. There's definitely fish in this river. Something hit it. Alright, something's playing with me here. Take my craw arm? He took my craw arm. Okay, so I saw all the fish, and they all chased this. They didn't want it. So I'm going to try 2 things. One, I'm going to shorten up my craw big time. 2, I'm going to go back and get a little swim jig and fling that around in here, so I feel like they would want that. They all were moving quick. Like they really wanted to grab this, but they were unsure of it. So here's the deal. Throw in this current, and they're swimming pretty fast. Oh! Okay. So we found a little bit better of a spot. Throw in the jig. Oh, there's that little bass. Let's see if I can get him to commit. I'm gonna get a catch right now. He wants nothing to do with this. Wow, that is cool. I'm gonna go stand out on this fallen limb here. Oh man, there's gotta be a fish in here. I think I can get down here. Alright, don't fall, don't fall. Well, this is a cool spot, but I really don't want to fall in, so I'm gonna get out of here. So there's nothing here. So you can swim, you could boat, you can catch and release fish. What PFA is in the water. I'm gonna Google what PFA is. And it says take a shower after swimming. Definitely gonna wash my hands. And I'm gonna fish this beach, because why not? Okay, back down the steps. I'm gonna be super stealthy. Make sure my drag is set. Oh yeah, we're good. Got it. Yes. That was freaking cool. All right, sick micro fishing. Caught a little bass on this Great Lakes Finesse Ned. He is teeny tiny and he's super cold. That was way cool. Came right out of this pool in this dam, and he's a little slimy guy. All right, I'm gonna release him quietly so we can get a couple more. Look at that. Little tiny Kent Lake Dam largie. See what? Yeah, he took off. They want it fast. Okay, first fish out of the way. Let's see if we can get a couple more. Got him. Nice. Another little largie. That was sweet. Beautiful fish. Hammered it. Plan worked. Finally catching fish. They're not big, but it's really cool catching fish in little creeks like this. Is it a largemouth or a spotted bass? Dorsal's connected. Looks like a little spotty. Wow, how cool is that? Nice. We're on them now. See what? There you have it. Micro fishing, Great Lakes Finesse. It's called a flat cap. Looks like this. And these little fish look like this. Man, I could do this all freaking day. They are so fast. They are coming out super fast. Love it. Another little creek fish. Woo, it's freaking out. Found a pattern. They are fishing here, man. Another little micro bass. This is probably the smallest of all of them. How cool is that? We're out here. I got this awesome dam in the background, and we're catching these guys. See, buddy? They're in this little pool here. As it falls, they're all hammering it. There's one. In the top of the mouth. This is fun, man. I feel like a kid right now. Micro fishing. Gotta love it. What are you at? There's one. This guy's fat. Another beautiful little creek bass. Little micro guy. Spotties. They've got this crazy like gold on them. Nice fish. There's a true dink dangler fish right there. See you, buddy. Alright. Okay, so update. We caught a lot of little fish in this tide pool here. I want to try to go for some quality over quantity. I'm not sure where the rest of these fish hang out. It seems like they're all kind of... Oh, I had him. I just missed a fish. He came out right out of this tide pool. There's one. That was sick. Little micro bass. Well, I don't know what our count is, but this is definitely the smallest one. See you, bud. Oh, that could have been the dinkiest one yet. This one. Nice. Wow, look at the color on him. I was just saying, look at the color on that guy. It's like a perfect miniature largemouth or spotty. I don't know. You tell me. I think they're spotties. Nice looking fish. What I really like about these Great Lakes finesse baits is that they stay on. So many soft plastics, they're so light and flimsy, they don't really stay on very well. Got him. Oh. Let's see what else we can do. Got him. Nice one. Man, they are fired up in here. All right, see you, bud. All right, just wanted to get one more, make sure we're on the same page here. And as in, the fish want what I got. And we're gonna walk around here and see if we can find another entrance into this creek. We're gonna leave this dam area now, and we're gonna try and hike our way down somehow. There's gotta be a way. As you can see, where I'm walking, it's kind of treacherous. It's pretty muddy, like really muddy. But I think if I get up over there, I should be okay. It's not so terrible that I can't get through it. Oh. All right, yep. Getting wet. Getting a little wet. Just gotta go. Oh, I just sunk in a freaking hole. All right, shoes are wet. Don't care anymore. Okay, so much for my last pair of hiking Vans. It's okay. This pair were on their last leg anyway. And had I just gone up over here, there's a way to get through all this. This is fine. Okay. This sucks. It literally looks fine, and it's just super, super, super muddy. Like mostly mud and very little anything else. Well, in conclusion, didn't catch anything but snags in the old dusty river, but I did catch a bunch of microfish in the dam. That was super, super fun. I'm running out of time now, so probably just gonna head in. Might make a couple more casts in that dam, see if any bigger fish moved in there. But other than that, it's been really fun. Really, really fun, actually. All right, well, that was fruitless. But I'm just gonna kill the next couple minutes on my memory catching some of these micro bass, because that was really fun. Oh, got one way out there. That was sweet. Oh. Try to hang me up. Oh, what did I get? What the heck? All right. I'm not sure what that is. Comment in the comment section and tell me what this fish is. What the heck is that? That was really cool. He hammered it right on the drop. That was insane. All right, I'm glad I came back over here. Comment if you know what that fish was. Got one. Oh, he's fighting. All day, baby. Another one. Nice. That's the biggest one I've caught all day. Still pretty small. All right, let's get him back. See you, bud. Dang, that was a good one. Pretty good one too. Nice. Some more sizable fish down there now that the sun's starting to set. That's a nice little fish. Oh. Fin stuck. There you go, buddy. It's not as big as the last one, but it seems like there's some bigger fish down there. It's amazing how they just take off. All right, it's been really fun micro bassing with you guys. I'll see you next time.